NAEC's Intelligent Fabrication solution is dedicated to helping clients build an industrial 4.0 level new productivity fabrication base driven by intelligent production, information-based management, and digitalized operation. The total planned area covers 158,000 square meters, mainly realizing intelligent fabrication of pipe spools, vessels, steel structures, pipe supports, and supporting components. The planning area includes pipe spool fabrication workshops, vessel manufacturing workshop, steel structure, support and supporting component fabrication workshops, raw material storage yard and buffer workshops, finished product storage yard and buffer workshops, as well as post-treatment workshop. In plant logistics planning, separation of pedestrians and vehicles, separation of dynamic and static flows, personnel passage, logistics and firefighting passage, raw material incoming logistics, production process logistics, finished product logistics, NAEC is committed to providing clients with lean overall planning solutions. Through a fully digitalized integrated system, business scenarios are driven by the deep interconnection and dynamic closed loop of information flow and material flow. By deeply integrating APS, LES, and WMS systems, an intelligent factory is built featuring a 3-in-1 integration of intelligent production lines, smart logistics, and digital management, setting a benchmark for intelligent factories in the energy engineering field. The CCRMOM developed by NAEC enables drawing analysis, production planning, automatic nesting, and worksheet release. Prepared pipe raw materials are delivered to designated cutting stations, while pipe fitting raw materials are delivered to designated grinding stations. The raw material warehouse, powered by WMS, realizes automation, lean operation, and informatization throughout the full process from procurement, unloading, sorting, transfer, warehousing, storage, outbound, secondary sorting, and feeding to the production line. The base is planned with intelligent pipe spool fabrication lines and other automated production lines for vessels, steel structures, supports, and supporting components fabrication. The intelligent pipe spool fabrication line consists of a SRS warehousing system for raw materials, CNC cutting stations, CNC beveling and grinding stations, intelligent fit-up and welding stations, intelligent pipe fitting grinding stations, and intelligent logistics systems. The upper-level control system automatically receives production tasks from, collects processing parameters and equipment status during operation, and generates reports automatically, realizing transparent full-process production control. At the same time, customized fume exhausting systems are configured according to different working modes, reinforcing both intelligent and efficient production as well as green and environmentally friendly manufacturing. Technology empowers capacity growth, while environmental design protects the production environment. The vessel fabrication line enables automatic cutting and forming of shells, longitudinal and circumferential seam welding, and accessory installation, achieving full process automation. The pipe support fabrication line realizes automatic cutting, sorting, grinding, palletizing, and welding of sections and plates, with a GV distribution enabling full process unmanned production. The H-beam fabrication line integrates material storage, cutting, fit-up and welding correction, and coating processes, creating a multi-process, fully unmanned intelligent production system. The entire base is also equipped with post-treatment production lines, completing processes such as shot blasting and rust removal, pickling, and passivation, which enhance corrosion resistance and surface quality of products. After post-treatment, products are sent to the assembly area, and once assembly is completed and final quality inspection is passed, delivery is carried out immediately as scheduled. Automated production capacity after the completion of the prefabrication production lines. Pipe spool fabrication line, approximately 1,255,000 inches or year per production line. Horizontal shell automatic fabrication line, approximately 20,000 tons or year per production line. Pipe support automatic fabrication line, approximately 60,000 pieces or year per production line. H-beam automatic fabrication line, approximately 100,000 tons or year per production line. Ultimately, the base achieves intelligent production, smart management, and digital operation, setting a benchmark in the energy engineering sector.